Hi, my name is Cindy and this is Anika. Welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel and thank you for watching. Now we were sent this 4K NVR system from Reolink to test out and we were surprised at how easy it was to install and to set up. This system records 24 hours a day and let us tell you everything you need to know about it.
Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and make sure you click that bell icon to remain notified because we do release videos on a weekly basis. Also, please use our Amazon links down below. If you do shop on Amazon, those links are in every one of our videos and they really help us out.
Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all the details.
Here is the complete system you get in the kit. Now you get these 4 cameras which are 4K 8 megapixels. They are powered over the Ethernet, so you only need to plug it in to your network cable. It has audio, so you can also hear everything that is going on outside.
Each camera also comes with a hardware kit to install on your wall. It also comes with 4 Cat5 cables, which are 60 feet long. The NVR comes with an internal 2 terabyte hard drive, but if that isn't enough, you can expand it up to 12 terabytes by installing 2 4 terabytes inside and also an external 4 terabyte by using the external eSATA port.
As I mentioned, the NVR comes with 4 cameras, but it supports up to 8. We connected the unit to our TV with the HDMI cable, but you can also use a video monitor if you wish. Now, we put the links down below to get the latest pricing since they go on sale from time to time.
So setting this up was actually super easy. We just plugged in the HDMI to the cable and it actually recognized the 4 cameras right away. Here are one of the cameras. Now, as I mentioned, it is 4K with 8 megapixels. It has a mic to pick up the audio, and we only need this cable right here to plug into our network cable. The other one has a reset button to reset the camera, and it has an optional 12-volt power source. So you can actually rotate and adjust the camera in these 2 positions, and then tighten the screw to lock everything in place. The camera is rated for a temperature of -10 Celsius, so I'm curious to see how it would stand up in our -30-degree winters. This camera is mounted on the corner of the house and it's picking up good quality from the sidewalk. I can zoom in and get detailed video.
As I mentioned, it has audio. I will leave my microphone here and go outside to show you the video and audio quality.
So we're here outside, and as you can see in the corner of our house we have our camera. And tell me what the quality is looking like here. How is my sound? Seems like it's pretty good. Alright guys, so it's nighttime and we have no external lights that are on, only the big camera that you are able to with us. So can you see us? Can you hear us? We have no mics on, so this is literally all from the camera.
Let us know the quality, what you think. We want to know.
Can you see that I just kicked her butt?
Ow!
Well, as you can see here, the quality of the camera, it is wonderful. It is on the top corner of our home, and can you hear the sound quality clearly?
And can you see our image clearly? I mean, it is top notch. What do you think? Leave your comment here.
Pretty dark out here.
Yeah.
We're going to check out and see that the Reolink is really working. That's right. We see that it could be working during the day now.
Yeah, and now we want to see if it works during the nighttime.
Ooh, I'm scared.
Oh, I see the ring.
Okay.
All right.
Do you guys see us?
Woo! Yeah, they're both working.
Now where's that string? Oh no.
Who is that? Oh my gosh, is that you?
So other than the quality of the cameras, the app is also important for ease of use. Now, I found the app was easy to navigate. I'm going to show you all the necessary settings. Right now I'm at the main screen where I can see all 4 cameras at the same time. I can pause all streams by clicking on the pause button. Clicking again starts the live stream, and I can click the double arrows and make it full screen. Just a note, you can actually view this on your TV or monitor, but I'm going to go back to all the 4 screens. Now clicking on each screen selects the camera, and you can actually see the name change at the top. I will click on clip at the bottom, and wherever I move the box around, it zooms in on that area. I suppose that could be useful depending on what you're monitoring. These cameras don't have a pan or tilt, I notice, so I'm going to click on playback. Yeah, they record 24 hours a day in 1-hour clips. I will show you soon how I did that. And I can also choose to show alarm videos only, so I will only see the motion alerts. Now I will click on one of the clips to view it. You can see me walking in front of the camera. How cool is that? Yeah. I can click it again to download it, and you can see the download button right there. Okay, so playing back and saving the video was quite easy. Now I'm going to go to the Devices tab at the top, and you can see my 4 cameras. This is where I can also name them by clicking on the pencil icons. I will click on the gear icon, and you can make changes to all 4 cameras by selecting any one of the cameras. I'm on the driveway camera right now, so when I click display, I can rotate the screen depending on how I mounted it. And I can display the camera name in any of these positions, or I can even hide them. The same with the date, which I put in the top center, and you can add the watermark if you wish, but I didn't bother with that. I will now click on quality, and I have it set for the best resolution and fastest frame rate. Okay, so I'm going to go back to alarm settings and select motion detection, which I have enabled. The sensitivity is set to 41 out of 50, and this next one I like, which is defining your motion zone. So as you can see, you can draw your area where you don't want to receive alerts. Now I'm selecting the sidewalk and road, so I will only receive alerts directly in front of my house.
Nice.
Now you can also click on the eraser and erase any of the areas if you need to. And as for schedule, I have it to record 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now I'm going to click on the record, and you can see that I have recording enabled. And it's going to overwrite when the storage is full. And the pack duration, that's where I set how long the playback clips will be. I made it about an hour. And I also enabled pre-motion recording, so it will start recording the alert before the alarm is triggered. Now, the post-motion recording, I have it set to 2 minutes, but you can change it if you wish. I mean, now with the trigger recording, I can also start recording on other cameras if motion is detected on this camera. Now, I have them all recording 24/7, so if cameras of motion, I really don't need to do this, Going back, I can set up email notifications if I receive a motion alert. I don't have it set up now, but I can turn on push notifications instead, which is going to send alerts directly to my phone or my tablet. Now these cameras record audio, so I have yet to turn that on.
Okay.
Now I can click on either of the cameras at the top and go through the same settings for each one. And at the very top, I can get all the network and firmware info.
Nice. I
can also share the app with family or friends so they can get access.
Okay.
Now one more
those
thing.
Crazy boyfriends out there.
Yeah, right? What? And one more thing I like is that if you go back to the live streaming page, you can click on the menu at the top and you can view the live footage inside your tablet while I'm doing other work.
Okay.
How cool is that?
That's very cool.
Yeah.
That was interesting. Now here is the quality at nighttime. There are no external lights that are on right now, so this is just the darkness of the night. The cameras use their 18 infrared LED lights to brighten everything up. I'm showing you footage of all 4 cameras. For me, the system is great because it can monitor 24/7 on all cameras without having to worry about it. I even forgot that it is recording. If something did happen, you can go back and check the footage. If you like being more proactive, you can get push notifications every time someone walks inside your defined motion zone.
Now, if you found this video useful, we ask that you please share it on social media. Also, there are those videos here on the side that you can check out. Now, the video on the top is our most recent one, and below, that's our recommended video, just for you. So please click on either one and check them out. And we truly appreciate all of your support. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.